Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today friends, I will be showing you how to make this very healthy and tasty broccoli, Brussels sprouts and spinach. You can eat this with naan, chapati and boiled rice. So let's get started. For the ingredients I have baby spinach, broccoli, Brussels sprouts chopped, 1 tablespoon salt, green chilies and garlic. I have boiled 1 cup of water. I'm now going to add the sprouts. Broccoli. Green chilies. Garlic. Salt. And the spinach. It's perfectly cooked. I'm now going to mash it. I have 2 tablespoons of wheat flour. I'm now going to add some water to this and mix it. I mixed the wheat flour. I'm now going to put it inside. Cook for 5 minutes. If you don't have wheat flour, you can also use 1 tablespoon of corn flour. After 5 minutes, it is ready. I'm now going to season it. For the seasoning, the ingredients are 1 tablespoon ginger paste, 2 tablespoons spring onion, 1 tablespoon red chilies, 1 tablespoon chopped green chilies, and 3 tablespoons of chopped green coriander. Add 1/4 cup of oil. Add the ginger paste. Mix well. Cook for 2 minutes. Add the red chilies. Mix well. Add the spring onions. Mix well. Add the green chili paste. And lastly, add the coriander. I'm now going to put the seasoning inside. It is now ready. I'm now going to dish this out. I've dished it out and these are the end results. It looks absolutely amazing and smells very nice. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.